All right, it's the coolant champion back again. 2010 Ford Focus, a little bit older, but come in with a coolant leak. Set the car shut off on them. No coolant. It had a water outlet leak. The water outlets on these driver's side of the engine. I noticed that the hose broke off. I think there's a little piece of plastic. Yeah, there's still a little piece of plastic in there. I'm gonna have to get it out. But to access this water outlet, you just take the battery tray out. Pretty easy. This one's been messed with before, so it was missing like a bracket, but over here I just got the battery out, and then here's the actual water outlet. So it mounts like this onto the, there's 4 8mm bolts, but this piece was the piece that was broken right here on the bottom. Just shooting coolant everywhere, so not too bad. Pretty simple job. Pays 2 hours. It literally took me like 15 minutes to get that out. So 2010 Ford Focus water outlet snapped, just of old age. Get you a shot when it's all reinstalled and bled and ready to go. I'm just putting a little vacuum on the system right now to check release, but I'm pretty sure it's all good. So you got it on. Like I said, 4 bolts. There's the hose that's underneath. I don't know if you can see. Even further under that guy. It's a little hard to get on, but you can do it. You can do it. That's gonna be it. Pretty cakewalk little water outlet, coolant flush.